My dear student, welcome to my masterclass for e-commerce. So we want to use the power of Facebook ads and we want to use it correctly. And of course, traditional customer journey on social media. We reach out the customers with reach ads. We show them videos, so we use video view ads and we engage them and we help them, we use the messenger ads. But the most important for e-commerce to increase the sales are conversion ads and dynamic ads, or it's also called catalog sales. So catalogs you can use for conversion ads and also for dynamic retargeting. And what we are going to do, we are basically focusing on the most important points. And this is the correct Facebook pixel. That's very, very important to have all the events and everything that is happening in the Facebook pixel. And that's very, very important. Otherwise, we never, ever succeed with e-commerce. Then the heart beating for e-commerce, for sales, are conversion ads. So it means that we help to boost our e-commerce the way that we sell. And this is like 80-90% of all activities. And then what's very important is dynamic retargeting. So if people add to cart, if people view our content, if people started the checkout but didn't finish the process of payment, so we dynamically find them back and help them to finalize the purchase. So this is what we are going to do. And of course, we start with the essentials, understanding the essentials of Facebook ads. Then we go for objectives for Facebook for business. And then, of course, we go for correct setup of Facebook pixel. And then, basically, we use the power of conversion ads and dynamic retargeting. And we will have also look into, and this is very, very important, lookalike audiences and, of course, custom audiences. So we know how to create great audiences that is based on the social behavior of all people coming to our Facebook page or Instagram profile or our website e-commerce. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to sell. We are going to sell more and more, and we are going to use the power of carousels, dynamic instant experience. And this is the e-commerce path. So we will be selling. But before it, we need to build some very strong essentials for you. And then we just go and sell. So please welcome to this course. Please enjoy it. Please watch it. And please use all these strategies to improve your sales.